Hello, friends. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to another episode, and today we'll deep dive into a very common topic: digital monetization. Some people call it like make money online, how to make money online, etc. But today's goal is to understand the basics of digital monetization. So it is a strategic framework, in short, like how your digital product can make some revenue. So let us try to understand what is well crafted digital monetization. Let's move to our slides. So first thing first, you need a digital product or a service that is going to add some value to your target customer, and then they are going to pay you for this. So all you need a platform. On a platform, you build your product and then you invite the target audience to use this. So if we try to understand these economics part by part, let us try to see different component of this digital economics. First of all, what are the basic component? Say a digital product. Let us assume an engineer sitting in a remote village, and he has built a nice CRM software, and he hired a group of engineer to build its feature, and then he launched this software as a subscription model, and various business solving their problem using this software. So this is the digital product, and it involves some online transaction are the subscriptions, like a monthly payment, because you are using its feature. You don't need to build the whole thing, because already the features are there in this software. So online transaction is necessary part of a digital product. Otherwise, how you are going to generate revenue out of this? You also need a digital platform where your software is going to host. For example, if it is a website, you need a web hosting platform that is going to host your database, your file, your images, and the content. Now, once this whole business is running, there is a group of people who are your subscriber. You need some data-driven decision so that you can see who is actually liking your product, or what is their feedback about the product. You want to know how they are actually interacting with the software that you build. So in this model, these four components are very significant. There are many other components. For example, the content, the whole content of this business is very important, like the informative content, the user generated content, like how people are commenting on this product. Then there are some paid content that you are advertising your product on various platforms like Google ad, Facebook ad, TikTok ad, Amazon ads, various platforms, and those ads are sending some prospect to your platform. So once these prospects are coming to your platform to know what it is exactly doing, they need some trial. So this subscription model sometimes run on some trial, and when they like this, you offer them some additional feature that they get from a paid or a premium version of the software. Sometimes the software includes some licensing. So when a business in 2025, if we think about what is exactly an online business that involves digital monetization model, that must have a digital product, an online transaction, and some data driven performance analytics, where you can see how the customers are responding to this. Now, once you have proper understanding of this component and somebody is presenting you a online business opportunity or explaining something, then ask the questions relevant to this, like what are the digital products involved in this business, how the transaction is going on, and what platform is used on this, and how the analytics is giving. And then you can make a decision, like is it a proper sustainable business model that can really generate revenue in future. So all you need a blueprint of identifying the income sources. You have to look at what are the digital offering, and of course it is not unique, so find out what is the competitor, who are the competitor, and how they are doing better, and how you can improve that. That is how, if this business generates some recurring revenue, then we call it, okay, you are on the right track. So selling physical product or digital product is nowadays depending on e-commerce platform, and for that you need an online website that built on some sort of e-commerce feature where customer can check out the product, browse the inventory, and all these are nowadays online, and various platforms are providing these opportunities. When you have no product, you don't have enough resources to build your own product, what you can do, you can build your own content. These are valuable for the end user. In that case, you can you can produce some sort of subscription model for that. For nowadays, many influencers are using this kind of technique for monetizing their content. And when you are offering some sort of services like coaching, consulting, or freelancing, top of that, that also increase the revenue. So creating some digital product and selling them on the platform as a downloadable content, that is another format of digital monetization model. And now these are AI powered, because AI can help you with creating the model and creating content basically with some new ideas, and also help you in generating the content for promoting these services on various platforms like YouTube, Facebook, or Twitter. And why this is important, in short, this is very important because once you get the opportunity to inform people based on some experience, they are interested to know how you are going to add value to that group of people. Very specific group of people are interested in some niche, and as an influencer, if someone can explain or help them in terms of solving their problem, then they're ready to make the online transactions, and then the creator or the owner of the platform can generate the revenue. So I think this conversation is helpful for basic understanding of what is online money making or what is online transaction. Hope we'll meet again in another episode. Till then, take care.